Hi there, Andy Willis here from Working From Anywhere, coming to you from Scott's Head Caravan Park. I'm camped out here for the next month or so. My business, Working From Anywhere, I help business owners to spend more time living life outside of their business. And I do that by helping them set their business up so they can work from anywhere, at any time and on any device, just like I do. As part of that, I'm a cloud expert and mentor. So all the tools that I share are cloud-based technology. So as well as my main program, which is the Anywhere, Anytime, Any Device program, I also have other small workshops that I'm currently doing around caravan parks. I'm offering to caravan parks up here on the mid-north coast. I have a Google Photos workshop where I help people to secure their photos and memories. So they're taking photos with their digital devices, their mobile phones. Something were to happen to that phone or that device, often people would lose all of their photos and memories. With this workshop, I guide them through how to set up their mobile phone so every photo they take is automatically, instantly secure as soon as they take it. Those photos and memories are secure in the cloud, so if something were to happen to their mobile phone, they don't lose their photos and memories. I also have another workshop which is called Securing Your Digital Life. Everybody, regardless of your business owner or in your personal life, we all need a massive amount of passwords. So consequently, we all use the same passwords. Very insecure way to run your life. Many people get hacked. This workshop, I guide you through how to secure your digital world and how you never have to remember another password again by using a password manager that generates secure passwords and stores those passwords. So that's the Securing Your Digital Life workshop. Third workshop is a one that tackles one of the #1 problems for business owners and for people in general, and that is inbox overwhelm. I have a system, a strategy, very simple system and strategy called Inbox Zero. And I guide people through this, in this workshop, how to get your inbox to zero every single day. Also, how to avoid seeing about 70% of your emails that don't even hit your inbox just by implementing one simple setting. So that's the Inbox Zero. And then of course, have the big one. It's the Anywhere, Anytime, Any Device program. That's not just one simple workshop, that's a series of workshops, and all of these workshops are backed up by some step-by-step tutorials that I have online. So I have a whole learning platform, step-by-step tutorials. So the Anywhere, Anytime, Any Device series of workshops guides business owners through setting their businesses up so they can access them from anywhere, at any time and on any device. Sets them up with some strategies, productivity strategies, some security, of course. The Inbox Zero and the Secure Your Digital World is part of the Anywhere, Anytime, Any Device program as well, or series of workshops as well. So all of these workshops I'm calling digital activities for caravan parks, because I'm currently up here on the mid-north coast. I'm going to hang out here for the winter and offer these activities, digital activities, as an activity for caravan parks. If you're a caravan park owner or manager and you'd like me to come to and offer these workshops at your caravan park, your holiday park, click the button below. If you're staying or moving between caravan parks and you'd like to join one of these workshops, click the other button below, or check out the workshops which are below this video as well. Pick one that suits you, find a time and come and join them. They're only 30 minute to 1 hour workshops. They're supported by online tutorials. They're not just presentations. You will walk away all set up and ready to go. So this has been Andy Willis from Working From Anywhere, talking to you about digital activities for caravan parks and anywhere, anytime, any device program. Please, if you've got any questions, you'd like to get in touch, just get in touch. Hit a button below and happy to chat. Carpe diem, enjoy your day and seize your day every single day. So, if you'd like to join one of these digital activities for caravan parks, find one that suits you, click the button below to find a time and a place that works for you, and come and join one of these digital workshops. If you're a caravan park owner and you'd like me to come to your venue to deliver one of these workshops, click the other button below and I'm happy to chat. Until then, carpe diem, seize the day every single day.